you guys, it's Yarn Guys Cosplay, and I'm back again with another Teach Me Thursday video. Teach Me Thursdays where I sit down with you guys and show you how to crochet either complicated stitches or just tricky crochet techniques that don't really make sense until someone shows you. Today, we're going to learn how to start a magic circle and work within a magic circle. But first, if you're new to my channel, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe. If you are a returning viewer, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and my videos. So today, we're going to learn how to work in a magic circle. First, you're going to need to make a loop around your finger, like so. If you are comfortable with your crochet hook, go ahead and stick it into the first loop on your index finger and pull the yarn through. Here is where it gets a little bit tricky. You have to keep this circle open. Now, I know that as a crocheter, your initial response is to pull this tight. Don't pull it tight. Leave it open. What you're going to do is very carefully take the yarn again, yarn over, and chain one. Here you should be able to pull on the loop to make it tighter, and it should give you this kind of crazy looking knot. Hopefully my camera, you want to focus? Nope, it doesn't want to focus. To make sure you did it correctly, you should be able to pull both strands the opposite direction, and it should come undone completely. If it turns into a knot, something got twisted. So once again, yarn over your index finger, pull the yarn through the loop very carefully, leave the loop open. Do not pull it tight. Very carefully, yarn over, pull through, and you have a chain one. Now, again, very carefully, you're going to go back into the big loop and you're going to pull through, yarn over, and do one single crochet. You're going to repeat about 5. Well, let's say we're going to repeat about 4 times. So we're working around to 5. There goes 2. Again, through the loop, pull through, yarn over. 3. Through the loop, pull through, yarn over. 4. In the loop, pull through, yarn over. 5. After you have 5 single crochet, grab the short end, and you should be able to pull on it, and that loop should get smaller and smaller and smaller. So keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, and you should have that loop completely closed. So you should have this. If you can't pull on the yarn to close the loop, then the yarn definitely got twisted. So try it again. So here we go. Yarn over. So here we go. Make an X over your index finger. Pull through the loop. Keep the loop open. Yarn over. Chain 1. Very carefully work in the circle and make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After your 5 single crochet, grab the short end and see if you can pull the loop close. And that is how you work in a magic circle. If you guys like this video, be sure to like this video. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys again on another Teach Me Thursday.